Yes, today we will start with the set. Set is the collection of elements. When we use the set, when we want to perform set operations such as a union, intersection, difference, at that time we have to use sets. What is the difference between list and tuple? List, it is a mutable, so when we want to change the data, at that time we use the list. Tuple is not allowed to change the data once you create the data. Now, property of the sets: unique elements, second one is non-sequential, third one is unordered, fourth one is mutable, fifth one is element of set are immutable type, right? Now, set has the mutable property, but element you define in the set are unmutable type. It means set element can be a number, it can be a string, it can be a tuple. Now, identification of list. List has a two type, set and dictionary. Both have the same identification of curly braces. Now, what is the difference between the set and the dictionary? If both are defined using the curly braces. Now, sets, it's only define the value in between the curly braces, like as equal to 1, 2, 3. And in the dictionary, it contains the key associated with value. For example, name I am taking as a Sagar. Now, what is the new scenario in that? Suppose we have a list that contains the duplicate element. Suppose we want a unique element of that list. Then we can convert all list to set to get all unique elements. Now I am taking s equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and 4. Type of s is a set. I am taking s in several numbers. So set contains the duplicate elements, but when we run the set, it show only the unique elements with the ascending order. When we run the set, always remember that. I am running the s, that is my set, so it will be always contain those elements in the ascending order and remove the element which is common. Okay. Suppose your curly braces is empty. So by default, it takes the dictionary. For set, we have to define at least one value in the break. So by default, that will take as a set. Let's take a look. S equal to curly braces, that is empty. I am taking type of S, that is called dictionary. Okay. Now I am taking S equal to 1. Type of S is a set. Here I am taking the 1, that is Y. Now suppose we have a multiple element in the list and want a unique element in the list, then we have to convert the list into set. Now L equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and some strings are there. I'm taking set L, so my output will be looking like this. Again I am taking the several property using the dir of set, right? S is my set. So if you want to use the clear, that it makes the set clear, it makes the changes in the actual set value and make it empty set. Right? I'm taking S, it is my 1, I'm taking S dot clear. So again I'm running the S, so my S is a set, it is an empty set. Okay. We cannot create empty set using the brackets. Then how to define the empty sets? Okay, if I'm taking empty, then it will by default take as a dictionary. If I'm taking 1, then it will by default take as a set, but we have a way to define it. Suppose we want to make as an empty set, then we have to make like this, L equal to set. Now you can define in empty set, right? I'm taking L1 equal to set, then I'm taking type of L1, so it will show you this set. So this way you can define the empty set. Okay, but by default, if you define only curly braces empty, then it will by default take as a dictionary, not a set. Now add. Basically, we use add to add the value in the set. We use the add command to add the value in the set. Actual set will be changed after that. Now suppose we add the duplicate value in the set. Now add operation will not make any changes in actual set if we add elements. Okay, if we add duplicate elements. Now suppose I am taking, just take a look, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm taking s dot add Sagar. So definitely it will add Sagar. But if I am adding s dot add 2, that is already existing. So it will not add 2. So that is the rule. Right? So my actual set is this. Now operation of the set. There are 4 type of operation. Union, that all elements of both sets Then intersection, common element of both sets it's contained. Difference that have the equation S1 dash S1 dot intersects of S2. Symmetric difference of S1 dot union S2 dash S1 dot intersect S2. These are the two equations. Right? And I am taking S1, in that I am taking just numbers. S2 I am taking the numbers. Again I am taking S1 dot union of S2. So all elements from both sides, that is called contain the union. So my output will be this again. Okay. Now I'm taking S2 dot intersection 8, 9 and 10. First must be the sets, remember that. And second maybe your list, tuple or number or string, anything. But first must be the set. So my output will be 8, 9 and 10. And here I'm taking the intersection. Okay. That is here I am taking S1 dot intersection S2. Okay. So which are the common element? That is called 5 and 6. Because I am taking S1 and S2 intersection. So my common elements is 5 and 6. So it will show in the output. Again I am taking S1 dash S2 difference. Difference means this equation S1 dash S1 dot intersection of S2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are different from S2. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 are there only in the S1. Okay, not in the S2. So that is called the difference. Now I am taking S1 dot semantic difference of S2. So this equation S1 dot union S2 of S1 dot intersection of S2. Okay, so my output will be this. Okay, without any duplicate key. 5 and 6 is not there. Okay, remember that 5 and 6 is not there. Expect from 5 and 6 everything is there in my output. Now I am taking basket, cricket and full form for basic understanding of sets. Okay, I am taking several names over here which is repeated. Okay, now there are 6 rules. Students playing basket and cricket. Second rule is students playing football, basket and cricket. Third one is students playing football but not cricket. Fourth one is students playing basket and football but not cricket. Fifth one is students playing who are in all the three games, that are in all the three games. Sixth one is students playing the basket and cricket but not the both at the eventually time. Okay. Now I am taking basket dot intersection cricket. So Aman, Sachin and Suresh is there. Okay. Basket dot intersection cricket. Basket intersection cricket. So this will be my output, this will be my output, okay, and this will be my output, right? I am taking basket dot intersection. In that I am taking football, comma cricket. So my output will be Aman. Okay, it is there. Again I am taking football dash cricket. So my output will be Anjali, Neha, Sagar, Samrat, Sneha, and Udav. I am just taking the dash. Okay, remember the rules. Okay, now I am taking basket dot intersection football dash cricket. So my output will be again mentioned. Again I am taking basket dot semantic difference of cricket. So you need to just remember S1 and S2, the equation of S1 and S2. So my output will be looking like this. Okay. Now intersection update. If any operation is performed, then it returns the value, not change the value in the set. Okay. Now suppose we want to perform intersection and then override the intersection value to given the set. At that time intersection update will use. For example, I am taking s dot intersection underscore update s2. It means s1 s equal to s dot intersection underscore update 2 of s2. The difference update means s equal to s dash s2. Difference of s and s2 will arrive and then the value will override. Then the value will override. Now I'm taking S. In S, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Sagar. S2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm taking S dot intersection update of S2. So this will be my equation S dot intersection of S2. So my output will be 5 and 6 because it is there. Okay, 5 and 6 is there. Now I'm taking S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm taking S dot difference of S2. So what is the difference? That is there. I already told you 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, I am repeating that. S dot dot difference underscore update of S2. So S equal to S dot difference underscore update S2. When I am taking the S and running the S, that is called 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will move on the what is superset and subset. For example, if you want to create one main set and second child set, at that time, child element is your subset and main element is your superset. Okay, remember that. For example, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is called superset. And I am taking b equal to 1, 2, 3. That is called my subset because it is there. Here, is subset means A dot subset of B. It will check A is a subset of B or not. Again, is superset means A dot superset of B. It will check A is a superset of B or not. Is disjoint? It will check both set are different. Here I am taking A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B equal to 1, 2, 3. So I am checking A dot superset of B or not. Yes, it is true. I am checking A dot is subset of B. A is a subset of B. No, false. B is a subset of A. Yes, true. 1 and 2 dot is subset of B. Yes, true. It is true. Again, I am taking A dot is disjoint of B. So both set difference, then it is show the true. But no, it is not difference because 1, 2, 3 is there in the B and in the A. So it will show you false. Now, again, I am running the B. So my B is a 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now remove the value from the set. Need to give the particular element name. Okay. B dot remove 3. 3 is the element that present in the B set. Same with discard. You need to remove the particular element. You need to just give the name of the element. Now, what is the difference between the remove and discard? Now, suppose 4 element is not present in the set. At that time, remove will give you the error. But at that time, discard it will not show the error. If element is present, then it will remove. Otherwise, it will not give any kind of error. Let's take this look. Look. B in a B, I am having 1 and 2. I am taking B dot discard 2. So again, I am running the B. So my 2 is a discarded. It's removed. Now I'm taking B dot discard 2. B dot remove 2 again turn around. So it will show me the error. So that is the difference between discard and remove. Okay. Again मैंने B dot discard 2 किया error नहीं आ रही है. B dot remove 2 कर रहा हूँ error आ रही है क्योंकि वहां पे already B में 1 ही है. That is why. That is the difference. Okay. In the next video we will see the dictionary. Okay. What is the dictionary? This is all about the set, guys. In the next video we will see the dictionary. See you in the next video. Just always be a learner. Thank you.